plugins and enable the CNC-Calc. So now you can see that we have the CNC-Calc toolbar available. Okay, so I'm going to open a file. Now I can open DXF drawings, or I can open up CDD, which is a CNC-Calc file. So we're just going to browse to our sample files, drawings, and you can see we have a few there. So I'm going to pick up tutorial 1 and say open. Okay, so you can see that we have our drawing in this blue window here. We have some CAD functions available, so you can draw simple geometry, lines, arcs, fillets, circles. You can draw or put in text, and then editing functions for deleting and trimming geometry. We also have the toolbars here for doing toolpaths. So I have facing, pocketing, contour, drilling, helixing, thread milling, and a few other simple toolpaths. So just have a quick look at that. So to do a contour on this outside profile, I'll click the contour. I'm going to put a comment in. I'm going to select the contour. So pick it here, and you can see it automatically chains up the closed loop. Click on parameters, set the cutter diameter, number of cuts, number of side cuts, depth cuts, lead in, lead out. I'm just going to accept all the default values and say show toolpath. Okay, and now I'm going to export that to the editor. So you can see the code has gone into the editor window now, and I can backplot that if I want to. Okay, so I'll close this window. Because I had the ISO milling type file type loaded here, it gave me milling toolpaths. If I picked on turning, I then have turning toolpaths available. It doesn't make much sense with this geometry here.